think this video will be better kasi may gumagaya sa akin since before pa. And people will figure out who's real and who's fake. China, Russia, India, Africa. Your country will be punished. The storm is coming to your land. This storm is not regular storm. The storm of devastation. Your street will be wiped out and many people will die. Africa, your economy will be collapsed. And the storm of devastation is coming for using bricks. There is a hidden about that. The judgment of God will blow. China, your street will be wiped out. An earthquake is coming. The building will be collapsed. And also to Russia, for using and trying to war to the different nation for using nuclear weapon. Everything will be exposed. Lahat ng peking pastor, peking propeta, peking preacher, witches, warlocks, everything will be fall down. Judgment of God will be blown. You can run, but you cannot hide right now.